Guys, as a second step to getting our HP Tuners device working correctly, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our micro USB cable, we are going to plug it into the back of our HP Tuners cable, and we are going to plug the USB drive into the side of our laptop. You will hear an audible noise prompt you when it's done successfully. Next, we are going to open our VCM editor software. So this is going to be what you guys just downloaded. What we're going to need to do, you're going to need an internet connection to make this happen. We are going to then migrate to our help bar, and we are going to hit Resync Interface. And you're going to see that this is being submitted to the HP Tuner server, and our resync is now complete. Now we are ready to log, read and write tune files, and use our MPVi2 device successfully.